How do migration help services protect vulnerable migrants in the Middle East? In recent days, the plight of vulnerable migrants in the Middle East has gained significant attention. Many are searching for ways to understand how migration help services are stepping up to protect these individuals. With ongoing conflicts and humanitarian crises, the need for support is more urgent than ever. Migration help services are actively working to address the challenges faced by displaced populations. Organizations like the United Nations and its partners provide essential humanitarian assistance. This includes delivering food, shelter, medical care, and sanitation facilities to those in need. Areas like Gaza and Syria are particularly affected, where violence has led to severe shortages. This assistance is critical for migrants who are at risk of exploitation and abuse. Legal protection is another key aspect of these services. Many migrants face complex immigration and asylum procedures. Legal assistance helps individuals navigate these processes and advocates for their rights under international law. This is especially important for Afghan migrants in Iran, who often encounter legal barriers and discrimination. Safe transit and shelter are also vital components of protection efforts. Some organizations coordinate safe transportation and temporary housing for migrants, including unaccompanied children. However, challenges exist, including scrutiny over the practices of private security contractors involved in transport. Migration help services are also focused on preventing exploitation and abuse. Reports indicate increased incidents of domestic violence and trafficking in crisis-affected areas. Targeted protection programs are being implemented to address these risks and support vulnerable migrants. Coordination among local and international actors is essential for effective protection. Governments, non-governmental organizations, and local communities must work together. For example, funding to the United Nations Relief and Works Agency helps sustain services for Palestinian refugees. Diplomatic efforts aim to stabilize conflict zones, reducing forced displacement. Promoting access to rights and services is another priority. This includes assisting migrants in obtaining necessary documentation and work permits. Access to health care and education remains a challenge, especially in countries with restrictive policies. Overall, migration help services in the Middle East are dedicated to providing life-saving aid and legal support. Their efforts aim to protect vulnerable migrants amid ongoing conflicts and humanitarian crises. By addressing these challenges, they strive to uphold the dignity and rights of migrants during their journey and in their new communities.